Hi, I'm home.
Hi there, I'm over here. How was your first day at the new school? I hope the kids weren't mean to you.
It was quite the contrary. A student named Stevio sat next to me at lunch. He seemed pretty nice.
Oh, honey, I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad it's working out, sweetie. So, how's this Stevio guy?
I mean, he was nice, normal, shy, cute, and funny. He actually gave me his number.
Mmm.
And you, how was your day?
Very productive. I worked virtually today.
Nice. So what are we having for dinner? I'm starving.
Actually, I was about to run to the groceries to get some ingredients for this recipe I'm planning on making tonight.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to come with you? I'm ready.
Yes, please. I would love that. Thank you.